This is the third video in the Studio Web Services for z/OS Connect video series. This video shows you how to create a web services directory using the Studio. Web service directories are used to identify the partitioned dataset on the mainframe where the metadata libraries exist, and they contain the web services that, when executed, get the mainframe data requested by a RESTful API. Before you can create a web service, you need to know the URL path that is used to access web services and the mainframe high-level qualifier to use. You must also have the necessary security authorization to perform updates to the metadata libraries. On the Server tab, verify that you are connected to the server on which you want to create the web services directory. Expand the services and web services directories. To start the wizard, you can choose to click the New Web Services Directory shortcut or right-click on the Create Directory Wizard tree icon and select Create Directory. For demonstration purposes, I'm choosing to view Advanced Settings. Enter a unique name to identify the new web services directory. This directory will contain the web services that are used to get the data. Notice as I type, the name I'm entering is automatically entered into the advanced fields. Now enter the high-level qualifier to use as a dataset prefix when creating, verifying, or editing the metadata library on the mainframe. This is the dataset where the metadata for all components will be stored. Under Supported Protocols, select the REST via z/OS Connect protocol. Optionally, use the advanced fields to explicitly name the URL path and the metadata library. If the library does not already exist, it will now be created. Click Next. Although you may not use microflow libraries at this time, for future purposes, you must create or select a microflow library to continue using the wizard. On the microflow library page, select an existing library to use or click Create New Microflow Library. In the Library Name field, enter a unique library name. In the Library Dataset field, enter the dataset name to use. Click OK. In the table, select the microflow and then click Finish. The new web service directory displays under the Web Services folder. To view or edit settings associated with the web service directory, right-click the directory and select Edit. General, microflow, and security details are available in the Web Services Directory Editor. The next step is to create a new web service and operation in the directory. Learn how to create a new web service and operation by viewing the final video in this series.